Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quick Draw in Red Dead Redemption 2. This exciting mechanic lets you draw your weapon incredibly fast, giving you a crucial advantage in intense standoffs. It's all about speed and accuracy, allowing you to take down opponents before they even react. We'll cover the essential steps to activate and execute a perfect Quick Draw, ensuring you dominate every duel you face. Get ready to become the fastest gun in the West. To kick off a Quick Draw, you'll need to be in a specific duel scenario. When the prompt appears, gently hold down the right trigger on your controller. This initiates a dramatic slow-motion sequence, giving you a precious few seconds to react. It's not just about pulling the trigger, it's about the finesse of the initial draw. Remember, timing is everything to get that perfect start and gain the upper hand in these thrilling encounters. Once the slow motion begins, use your right stick to carefully position your aiming reticle. Precision is paramount here. Aim for vital spots like the head or heart for instant takedowns. As soon as your aim is true, fully press the right trigger to unleash your shot. If your dead eye is active, you can even mark multiple targets for a devastating flurry of shots. Practice this to ensure every bullet counts. To truly master Quick Draw, consistent practice is your best friend. Engage in every duel opportunity to refine your reflexes and accuracy. Upgrading your dead eye ability will give you more time in slow motion, allowing for even more precise targeting. Opt for powerful revolvers or pistols, as their high damage output ensures swift eliminations. Anticipating your opponent's movements will also give you a significant edge, making you an unstoppable force.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.